babes, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel. So before we get started, I just wanted to tell you guys Happy New Year. So we are going into another year. 2019 is going to be a great year for you. I'm speaking it into existence for you and myself. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for the continued support on my channel. I can't wait to bring you guys good content and new things coming 2019. So make sure you are subscribed so you will not miss that. And this is pretty much my New Year's Eve makeup look. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So of course my eyelids are already primed. Everything in this video is going to be super affordable and drugstore for the most part. So this is the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill palette. This is the Dark Magic palette. And this palette is super affordable. It's literally like $15. But anyways, this is the palette we're going to be using. So the first shade I'm going to go into is this taupey brown shade right here, and it's called Shh. I'm just taking a really fluffy brush and I'm just going to put this all in my crease area. The next shade I'm going into is called Busted, and it's really pretty greenish bluish color right here. So I wasn't even about to do a halo eye, but from the look of this, that's pretty much where it's going. I'm telling you guys, like, I love makeup so much and I'm so passionate about it. Like, every time I'm in it, I just be like, oh, I be shook, y'all. It's like the best feeling ever. Now I'm just taking this clean, fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend the shades together just so it won't look so harsh. I swear you guys, I was not trying to do a halo eye, but that last halo eye we did, that was lit. It was freaking lit. So next I'm taking the NYX glitter primer and I'm just going to use a little bit of this to help the pigment that I'm using. And the pigment that I'm using is by Wet n Wild, and it is the Color Icon Loose Pigment. This is fairly new. I believe they came out with these pigments maybe the middle of this year. And it's called Unicorn Wishes, and it's like this really pretty grayish, blackish, bluish metallic color. So I'm only using just a little bit of this glitter primer just to kind of help the loose pigment pop a little bit more. And of course I'm overdrawing my crease just a little bit, but the primer does not have to be perfect or anything because this is a halo eye. Then I'm taking this small shader brush and I'm just going to pack on that pigment. That glitter primer really did it. This pigment was only about $3, y'all. Like, I'm over here shook right now. I'm real deal shook. So now that I have the glitter on both eyes, I'm just going to go back in with Busted and I'm just going to blend out the harsh line where the glitter and the shadow meets. So now I'm just going to go ahead and clean up underneath my eyes, pop on some lashes, and I'll be right back. So now my lashes are applied, and of course I stuck with Drugstore lashes, and these are the Eyelure x Jasmine Brown lashes. You guys know I love these lashes. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to the face. So for primer, I'm using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer, and I'm just going to be applying this to my T-zone area. You guys, I had some crazy fun while doing that eyeshadow. Like, this eyeshadow look was not even supposed to look like that. And that Wet n Wild pigment literally has me shook. Do not, I repeat, do not sleep on the Drugstore. The Drugstore really does have some really good finds. Like, they have some really good items. So for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. And I'm just going to be applying a light layer. I don't want too much going on because my eyes are already the most. We don't want to be looking clownish, you know what I'm saying? We just want to be kind of cute and fun and natural. And this is literally all I'm applying. Like, I don't want to be doing the absolute most. Plus, with this foundation and this brush, a little bit goes a really long way. This foundation is a little bit red. I'm just noticing that it's kind of red. But once we conceal and everything like that, it'll be just fine. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I love this concealer from the Drugstore, and the products that I'm using in this video are actually products that are like some of my holy grail makeup products from the Drugstore, and some products that I know that are going to really make my makeup last throughout the day, and it's going to really hold me down. Because on New Year's, just follow me on Snapchat. We ain't even gonna talk about it. The smallest amount of these products go a really long way. So to set, I'm going to go ahead and use my Black Opal setting powder. I have been really loving this stuff lately. It's amazing. Like, it's a really good setting powder from the Drugstore. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my Black Radiance powder to contour my nose. So don't even act like you guys don't even know that we have to snatch the nose. So next I'm taking this really fine brush. It's not a pencil brush, but it's really small and it's really tapered. It's the Morphe 506. And I'm just going in the shade Busted while we have that setting powder underneath the eyes. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of this to my waterline to kind of help smoke it out. And then I'm just going to sweep off that excess powder. So to go ahead and finish off the eyes, I'm taking the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara, and I'm just going to apply this to my top and my bottom lashes just to kind of get everything blended together. To bronze up the face, I'm using the CoverGirl Queen Collection Ebony Bronzer. And I'm just going to use this everywhere that I want to create some shadow to, and to add a little bit of definition. And because this bronzer is so dark, well, not necessarily dark, but it has a lot of red in it, I'm only taking like the smallest amount. And then for blush, I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me blush, and this one is in the shade Wine. So I'm just going to take this and put this on the apples of my cheeks. And I'm using a very light hand since my eyes are already really bold. I don't want to be adding too much to the face or too much color to the face. And then for my glow, I'm using the Wet n Wild and Golden Flower Crown. And I'm just going to highlight with that. Then of course I have to fill in my mold, so I'm just taking a black liner to fill in my beauty mark. For my lips, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Last lipstick in Never Nude. It's like this really true nude pretty shade, and I'm not going to go in with the liner or anything. We're just going in with the lipstick. So I'm just going to apply this to my lips. It's almost like a peachy nude. So to put on top of that, to kind of help tone it down a little bit, I'm using the Essence lip gloss in So Into It. I love these glosses, you guys. Like, these Essence lip glosses are like the glossiest shit I've ever used. Like, these will have your lips looking like you done ate a bucket of chicken. Seriously. And I love glossy lips, so if you like that intense gloss, check these out. They're only sold at Ulta, and I believe Essence also has a website. You literally only need to dip in that lip gloss once and your lip gloss gonna be popping. So this is pretty much it, my final and finished New Year's Eve makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I wanted to do something a little bit different besides the basic red lips or smoky eye or golden glitter eye, silver glitter eye. I thought I'd step it up a notch and do something a little bit more vampy, a little bit more sexy, sultry, and smoky. So I hope you guys appreciated this video and this look. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button on your way out. Remember to be blessed and follow your dreams, and I will see you guys in my next video.
Niggas all on your dick, but we ain't gon' trip. I tell all my hoes, break it up, break it down, bag it up, fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up.